If you're about to take your driving test for the very first time, here's everything you can expect on the day. First, you'll head into the test centre and take a seat in the waiting room along with your instructor. If you're using your own car or someone else's, then it may just be you. Your examiner will then enter and call out your name. Next, I'll ask for your UK provisional licence to check. Once that's done, the examiner will ask you to read and sign the insurance and residency declaration. They will then ask if you'd like anyone such as your instructor present on the test. Then it's time to head out to the car. First up is the eyesight test. The examiner will ask you to read out a number plate from 20 metres away or 20.5 metres for an old style number plate. This must be passed in order to progress with the test. You will then make your way to the car you're taking the test in. Throughout the test, you'll be asked 2 vehicle safety questions, also known as the show me tell me questions. You'll be asked the tell me question before you start your drive and the show me question whilst on the drive. Next, it's time to get into the car. Whilst you get adjusted, the examiner will set up their sat-nav if needed, and if you're doing the test in your own car, this will also need to be equipped with an extra interior mirror for the examiner. For a full list of requirements for taking the test in your own car, please visit the government website. You'll then set off and begin the drive. During the test, the examiner will be evaluating your general driving ability and your independent driving ability. This involves driving in a variety of traffic conditions, and during the general drive, the examiner will give you guidance throughout. This is also where you'll be asked to pull over and pull away, which can include from the side of the road, behind a parked vehicle, and a hill start. You may also get asked to carry out an emergency stop, but please note that this will not be on every test. The independent drive will last for around 20 minutes. This will involve either following a sat-nav or following road signs as opposed to the examiner directing you. You are still able to ask for guidance. If you go the wrong way, for example, the examiner will simply reroute you and you can continue with the test. Whilst on the drive, you will also be asked to carry out your show me question when safe to do so. You will also be asked to carry out one of 4 reverse manoeuvres. This can either be a parallel park, parking in a parking bay either by driving in and reversing out, or reversing in and driving out, or pull up on the right hand side of the road, reverse for around 2 car lengths and rejoin the traffic. Again, you'll only be asked to carry out one of the 4. Overall, you'll be driving for around 40 minutes. Finally, you'll head back to the test centre and the examiner will talk you through your results. As mentioned previously, you can have your instructor or a friend or relative present for this part. If you do pass, the examiner will award you with your certificate and you and your instructor can head home. To ensure that you're test ready, check out the DVSA Ready to Pass checklist. You can either find this linked in the description or on the government website.